Welcome back to our video tutorial course on creating a professional blog with the power of AI. In less than an hour with no previous experience, you can have a blog that looks like this, that will help you generate traffic and customers to your business, increase subscribers, generate reviews, and much more. You can create amazing content-rich blog posts like these that include images and videos 100% on autopilot. By setting up a simple automation, you will have these posts generating on a time schedule, driving a huge amount of clicks and traffic, as well as customers to your business. You can also manually create these posts with a few clicks in under 20 seconds. We have a lot of cool features to cover, so let's get into it. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how you can set up automations so you can automatically publish posts to your blog and your social media channels. Once in your admin dashboard, you're going to hover over AI posts and click on automations. Here we have a form where we can start implementing the different options that we want for this automation. First one, when the post is created, do we want to create it as a draft or do we want to go ahead and publish it? We'll click publish. Create a post. We've got different options here. We can create a post every hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, 1 day, and 2 days. We're going to go ahead and create a post every 12 hours. And then the keyword terms. In a previous tutorial video, we used the AI assistant to come up with topics for different blog posts for this blog, and we've created a list of keywords out of these topics. So we're going to go ahead and copy these, and you're just going to want to include one keyword per line. And the next option that we have is to modify the keywords. What that is going to do is every single time it runs through this list of keywords right here, it is going to modify this topic, and you're almost certainly going to want to enable this because it's going to make your post more varied every single time it runs through this list of keywords. For post category, we'll just keep it all posts. Automation status, we're going to have it as active. You can activate or pause an automation at any time. Create blog post type, we're going to do a blog post. Content words, we're going to make the post 1500 words. We do want images in the content. Number of images, we're going to set that to 10. Download images, we're going to set that to no, but again, you can download the images to your server or you can embed them. Get related YouTube videos, yes we are, and we're going to get 2 videos per post. Internal link, we're going to leave that blank, but as we explained in a previous tutorial, you can use this feature to create internal links to different places in your blog to increase the SEO benefits of the posts that are created. Get title tag and meta description, we're going to set this to yes. If you set this to yes, the title tag and meta description for the post, which is what Google uses in their search results, will be automatically optimized. If you set this to no, you can go back and optimize the title tags and meta descriptions on the AI post dashboard. Post date, we've got a description below here that explains this, but we can either create the post at the current time. We can backdate the post. If we backdate the post, what it will do is it will look at the very first post ever published on the blog, and it will create that post between 16 and 32 hours before that post. And the reason that you would want to do this is if you are building a blog from scratch and say you wanted to create posts for the past 6 months before submitting it to Google, you could create all of these posts with the automation, backdate them, and have an entire catalog of posts going back 6 months, 12 months, whatever. You can also future date them. If you're setting up this automation and you want to schedule out posts, it will do the same thing. It will take the last created post, it will schedule that post out for anywhere from 16 to 32 hours, and then that way you can start scheduling out posts into the future. For this option, we're going to go ahead and backdate the post because we are creating this new blog. And fire webhook, in the next video tutorial, we're going to be covering webhooks in depth, and this is the way that we we can automatically publish to another website, or we can publish to Facebook or any other channels that we want to. And with this option, when the post is created, it's automatically going to fire the webhook. So if when the post is created through the automation, you want to automatically post it to Facebook, you would check this to yes. Since we are not currently going to implement a webhook, we're going to leave this as no. And now we can just click create automation. We're going to get a confirmation message that the automation was created and that the page is refreshing. And now we can see our newly created automation. It's got all of the details here for this automation that we just created. We can click this edit automation button and edit any of the options that we implemented. So if, for example, we wanted to create a post every 3 hours instead of 12 hours, we can update that. If for whatever reason we wanted to pause the automation, we can do that. We can change any of the details that we just implemented. We can delete this specific automation, or we can come down here and we can delete all of the automations. The other option that we have here is to run the automation. So we can go ahead and just run the automation and see what the posts look like that will be generated. And even if you have it currently paused, you can still click this run and the automation will go ahead and run. So we're going to click this. Now this process may take 30 to 40 seconds, but we're going to go ahead and fast forward in the video. And the automation has successfully run. We can see this confirmation message right here. It says the last post was successfully created. It gives us a post ID. You can see the post here. It gives us a link with the title of the article, and you can view and edit the SEO information by clicking here. So let's go ahead and click on the SEO post information. That's going to bring up this page here. And because in the automation settings we selected to go ahead and have the title tag and meta description updated, it has gone ahead and optimized this information. We can see the search results. This won't be included in the post, but you can see the current blog posts that are ranking at the top of Google search results for the particular keyword that we used for this post. And when the SEO title tag and meta description was updated, our AI systems analyzed all of these title tags and meta descriptions to create a well-formatted, highly optimized one for this post. If we come back over to the post automations, we can click on the title right here, and we can see our newly created post with our images, our videos, our optimized content. And if we come out to our blog, we can see our newly created post. On the automations page, we now see that there's been one created post that this will update every single time the automation is run. And that is how easy it is to set up these automations and automatically create highly optimized posts. In the next video tutorial, we'll cover how to integrate this with social media, automatically post to social media, or if you're running another website and you're posting to that site, we can do that as well.